Good evening, students. Today we are going to learn one main source of public revenue. As you know, public revenue is the income of the government or the income of the state. So we are now discussing on the main source of revenue, that is tax. So what is a tax? Tax is a compulsory payment made by the citizens of a country for which there is no quid pro quo. That means quid pro quo means they cannot expect any direct benefit out of it. Though they pay, they should not expect any direct benefit. So tax is mainly divided into two: direct tax and indirect tax. It is, you can one test what is a direct tax. So you should know the concepts of impact, incidence, and shifting of the burden of tax. So impact is the initial point of the burden of tax. Tax is considered to be a burden. Generally, we say incidence of tax as a burden, but here impact is the initial source, initial point of burden of tax. Second, incidence. Incidence is the ultimate point of the burden of tax. And shifting, if we can shift the burden from the first person to the ultimate person, that is shifting. So there is a test. If the impact and incidence falls on the same person, that tax is called a direct tax. If we can shift the burden, that is the indirect tax. So which are the main examples of direct tax in India? It is the income tax, the main tax. Income tax is a tax on the income of persons. Then corporation tax. Corporation tax is tax on the profit of corporations or companies. Then we have many other tax, wealth tax, tax on the wealth. Then indirect tax, the central excise duty is the tax on production of goods. Then you have customs duty, tax on imports and exports of goods and services. Then you have which is exclusively dealt with the states, uh, sales tax. In Kerala, sales tax was the major source of income for Kerala. Sales tax. But now these indirect tax are all subsumed into a tax called GST, Goods and Service Tax, which was implemented on 1st July 2017. So GST subsumes all other indirect taxes. So these two, direct tax and indirect tax, form the main source of the revenue, public revenue of the state or government. So now there are some problems in India. We rely more on indirect tax, which is highly inequitable. So we know there are many canons of taxation, canons of taxation by Adam Smith. Canons of taxation are four by Adam Smith: canon of equity, canon of certainty, canon of economy, canon of convenience. So if we look into all these canons, there are other canons also. So we see that in India, much stress is given on indirect tax, which is highly inequitable. We'll stop this class by this. So the main, we have discussed about the main source of tax, that is direct tax. Thank you.